Hello, Sugarplums. Welcome back to my channel. Today, guys, is the last day of the year 2019, and today is gonna be our last video of 2019 as well. Guys, thank you so much for making a perfect, amazing end of the year for me. I really appreciate all your love and support. I wanted to take time to tell you guys thank you for all of that, all the feedback, of all the comments. I really appreciate all of them, and I really hope that you guys have an amazing end of the year. So today's video is guys gonna be an easy one. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I make a gold accent for my fireplace, or you can do that for any places in your house. So we're gonna be using some tall crystal glass that I got from a dollar store, and this bowl I got also from a dollar store, and it's a very hard plastic. All we're gonna need, guys, we're gonna need a spray paint. I'm gonna be using gold because I'm doing gold accent, or you can use any type of color that you want, so that's up to you. We're gonna need some crushed glass, and this one is the Ashland crushed glass that I get from Michael. It's very cheap. It's only $4.99 for the bottle, and it's so beautiful. And seriously, guys, it's prettier than the one from IKEA that is like super expensive. We're gonna need some Mod Podge, and we gonna need a small brush to for a Mod Podge, and the star of the show is gonna be hot glue gun. We're gonna be needing some hot glue. First of all, before you start, guys, make sure that you clean your glass so you have like no fingerprint or oil residue on it. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is that I'm gonna go with the hot glue. We're gonna create shape, and drawing, whatever you decide to do, guys. This part is up to you. This is when you're gonna go and let your creativity go crazy and then create whatever you want. Me, I'm gonna be doing some dandelion flower on my tall vase. So that's what I went and I'm gonna be doing. And for my dandelion flower, it's easy, it's fun. So, and it's super, super easy to make. All you have to do is like create some line. Some lines gonna be straight, some lines gonna be curved, and for the end of each one of the lines, I'm gonna go either create like a little small little bud, or I'm gonna go ahead and fan it out with some hot glue, and I'm gonna go and create some like some stem for them and some leaf, and also we'll be doing some buds for this, and I'm gonna be doing this all around the vase, and then that's it. That's all you have to do, guys. This DIY is so easy. So after I finish doing all my flower design on the vase, I'm gonna go and do some squiggly line all around the bottom part and the top part, and then that's it. That will be it for the vase. And I went and created two, but one I did off camera, just to for time's sake. So that's all I'm gonna be doing. And after I finish doing my design on the vase with my hot glue gun, this is what mine's gonna look like. And then after that, I'm gonna go to create more dimension, and at the bottom and the top part, I'm gonna use my glue gun, and I'm gonna going back and forth doing like squiggly lines, and then that's it. And this is gonna be done for the vase itself. Now the plate, it's the bowl, already came up with like a design, but the design is on the inside because the outside part is a very smooth surface. It doesn't have any of the design showing up. So all I'm gonna be doing for the bowl is I'm gonna go and transfer the design on the outside using the hot glue gun. I'm just gonna go over the same design that is showing on the inside, and I'm gonna create that on the outside. That's all I'm gonna be doing for the vase, and I mean for the bowl. All we're gonna be doing is connect those designs together, and that will be it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch this part, and then we'll be right back once we are done to move on for the next step. Alright guys, so right now all I'm doing is taking like a paper towel and I'm just removing all the hot glue strings that is on the bowl and the vase just before we go and spray paint it. You don't want those strings all over the place. Now this is when the magic happen, guys. You know the design is showing it's pretty, but when you spray paint it, this is when you see your design come to life. So that's why I say you can do whatever you want, whatever you please, you know, create whatever you want, whatever design that you want, and you'll see that baby come to life and you'll be so happy with it. So I went and spray paint in gold. This is a metallic gold spray paint. I went over both the bowl and the vase. And the bowl I'm gonna do the outside and as well as the inside, because you want the bowl to pop out. It's a, you know, a bowl, it's people will be seeing the inside. Make sure you spray paint the inside as well. So I'm gonna go and spray paint the whole thing, and once we finish we're gonna let it dry, and then after that we'll move on to add the crushed glass and the with the Mod Podge. Basically all I'm gonna be doing is add Mod Podge and crushed glass only at the bottom part of both the vase and the bowl. You don't want to overwhelm, you know, the whole thing with crushed glass, unless it's the, if it's the look you're gonna go for, then go for it. But me, I wanted to do the crushed glass only at the bottom part. And for this part, then make sure you add like a very thick layer of Mod Podge before you apply your, you know, your crushed glass, just because you want the crushed glass to adhere to the vase. It's already crystal, so you want it to adhere really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and add Mod Podge at the bottom of the vase, and then we'll be right back to show you the next step. Okay guys, so after we finish adding the crystal, the crushed glass to our vase and bowl, this is what it's gonna look like. Now we let it dry for like a few hours, and then now the last step I'm gonna be doing, actually the step before the last I'm gonna be doing, is add just a little bit of bling at the very top of both the vase and the bowl. For the vase, I'm gonna just do like one row of bling wrap, and I'm gonna add it one row at the end of where I had the squiggly line at the top, and one row at the very top of the vase. So it's gonna be two row of one row bling wrap. And for the vase, I'm just gonna for the not the vase, the bowl, I'm gonna go and add a two row bling wrap, only two row at the edge of the the bowl. And then all I'm gonna be doing after that is add another thick layer of Mod Podge to seal everything. Always remember to put a layer of Mod Podge if you use Mod Podge in anything. If it even if it's glitter, just make sure you seal everything after that with another layer of Mod Podge on top of it. And that's all I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and let it dry overnight, and that's it. Our design is done and it's ready to be used. Guys, again, I wanted to thank you all so much for an amazing end of the year. Guys, you have brought so much laughter and joy to me, and I really appreciate that. For this year, guys, I really hope you have an amazing end of the year 2019 and a wonderful, very blessed, full year 2020. I hope you guys stay blessed and have blessing that you don't know what to do with. I hope you guys live to the fullest for the next year. This is my wish to you guys, and this is my wish to myself as well. So I really hope that you have an amazing year that's coming next year. Literally tomorrow is gonna be another year, so let's go ahead and make the best of it. Let's go ahead and live the best life that we can possibly live. So guys, this is gonna be our last video. As I mentioned, I really appreciate it if you guys haven't done so, and if you go and subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate that. Let's go ahead and make our family big for the next year. Let's grow it to like more people and more people. I will really appreciate that. Thank you to all of you who have been subscribing and leaving me comments, all the feedback. I really appreciate every single one of it, and I read every single one of your comments. Thank you so much, guys. So as always, I'm gonna go and let you watch this part, and then I'll be right back to close the video. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon. Okay, guys, now this is it. That's it. This is my set, my golden, accent set that I made, and I put it in my fireplace. I think it looks fantastic. It's easy, it's cheap, and it's very pretty. This part I didn't show you when I made it. It's basically a planter. It's a ceramic planter. The saucer at the bottom is attached to the planter. All I did was spray paint it with the same gold metallic, and then add 2-row bling wrap at the top and 1-row bling wrap at the bottom of the saucer. And this I'm gonna be showing you. This is the color that it came in. It's like an orangey, metallic orangey type of color. So all I did was spray paint the outside and take like a small foam ball and then stick some flour to it and add it to it. And for my tall vase, I went and add my flower candles that I made previously in another video. I'll link that video below. If you haven't seen that, guys, go ahead and check it. It's a very easy and fun video to make. Basically, those are real flowers, so I'll put the link down below for you guys. I think the candles look great in the vase just because you have the beautiful color flower in it, and also you have the little bling wrap also at the top. I think it complete the whole tall vase set. And for the bowl, the only thing I did for the bowl is add it in the center and then just add some decor in it. All I did was added a scented candle in the middle, some I was about to say unicorn. You can say that. You can see that I'm happy, guys. I mean, I added some pine cone all around it and two little glittery flower at the, on each side of the candle just to make it pop. And that's it, guys. This is a DIY. This is our last video for the end of the year, guys. Thank you so much for an amazing 2019. I can't wait to see you and bring you more video for 2020. We're gonna go ahead and bring everybody together and make more beautiful DIY for you guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support, guys. If you like this video, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like and share this video as well. And that's it, guys. This is the last video. I wish you a happy end of the year and an amazing year 2020. As always, guys, I leave some photo for you at the end of the video, so enjoy them. And as always, like I always say, my beautiful sugar plum, be blessed and stay blessed. I love you. I'll see you next year. Bye. Mwah.